Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just filming this makeup look. It is kind of a pop of color back to school makeup kind of thing. It's not even really back to school, it's just back to school because it's that time. But this is something I would wear to class, this is something I would do going to school, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I did it. It's just a nice pop of color with some green, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. Alrighty you guys, so I'm just starting out with some Moisture Surge Jelly from Clinique, and then I'm going to go in with my Professional Primer to even out my skin tone and smooth out my pores. Pretty easy stuff. And then I'm going in with this really mysterious tinted moisturizer. I say that because my dermatologist gave it to me after I got my chemical peel because it was like the only kind of moisturizer I could use after, but I really like it. So I really need to ask her what brand it was so I can cop it because I really love the finish of it and it smells really good like tea tree oil. So just putting that all over my face, but any old tinted moisturizer will do. And then I'm just wetting my beauty blender so that it'll blend out that concealer better. I think I'm just using the Maybelline, what is it? Let me look in my drawer. Instant Age Rewind. That's my fave concealer. So that's what I'm using. And then I'm just going in to spot conceal. I've got a few active breakouts here. So just spot concealing those with my Benefit Boing concealer in a really tiny brush. And then I'm going in to set all of that with my Laura Mercier baking powder. Don't want to get oily throughout the school day. And then I'm going in with my Too Faced bronzer in the matte shade, or I guess it's a shade still, the medium matte shade. And just putting that on my forehead, tip of my nose, around my cheekbones, just all the places that I'd naturally catch some sunlight and get a tan. And I'm going in with my Dandelion blush from, I think it's Benefit, I'm pretty sure it is, and popping that on my cheeks. And then I'm just going to go in and highlight my inner corner and cheekbones with Gator Wings from the Swamp Queen palette. So then I'm going in with my Wet n Wild palette. I'll have it linked down below, and I'm just going to start off with using some transition shades like a light brown and work that into my crease. Now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with that darker green color, and this one was a little hard to work with, not going to lie. I had to really blend it out because it pretty much came out black, which was not what I was intending, but as you can see, I blended out and everything turns out to be okay. But I'm just going to blend that into my crease. Alrighty, and now I'm going to go in with that light green shade and pop that all over my lid with my finger. And now I'm going in with that shimmery champagne color, and I'm going to pop that on my brow bone and in my inner corner. And then I thought I could use a bit more warmth, so I'm just taking the bronzer shade from my Swamp Queen palette and putting that all throughout the crease, and I think it really helped bring the whole look together. So now I'm just going in with my lip liner that I've done now that I've done my eyeliner and mascara. This one is in the shade Chicory and it's from MAC, and then I went in with a really bubbly pink lip gloss from Essence, but I thought it was too pink, so I ended up wiping it off and using something a bit more toned down. I used a combination of a lipstick that doesn't even have a brand on it, but any muted pink lipstick will do, and then the lip gloss from Rimmel, just kidding, in Blushing Belgraves. Alrighty guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you found it helpful, and I don't know, I just thought I'd do a fun pop of color makeup because I don't normally do that. I normally stick to really neutral looks, but I really like using green because it makes my eyes pop out since they are green. But yeah, I really liked this, and I wanted to do a drugstore kind of like eye makeup look just to make it easy for you guys. I'll have everything linked down below, and if you guys enjoyed this video, then just give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.